Alright, so today I'm going to replace the reverse lights on a BMW E90, mainly because they're terrible and you can't see anything. These really crappy bulbs. So I got some LED ones. They look like this. We're going to install them and see how they turn out. So the first thing you want to do is take these two things off. This is a T25. You take these two off, then you take these clips off. You take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 clips. Once you take all that off, this whole little thing should just pop right off. Once you got all those things out, you can get right behind here. Then you can just unclip this. This is really hard to do with one hand. Once you push this in, this should pop right out. And then you can replace this bulb right here. All right. Now, snap it back in. All right, let's test it out. Okay, that's bright as hell. Huh? Hold on. That's really bright, but it was like flickering. Put it in park. Now put it in reverse. Holy crap, that's a big difference. All right, turn it off real quick. All right, now start it back up. All right, I don't like that. Why is it flashing? Is it in reverse right now or no? No. It's in park? Yep. So as you can see in the video, the LEDs like flash or they flicker as soon as you start the car on, but that's the only time they do that. It's kind of annoying because it flashes like 10 times or whatever. So I did some research and I found out that the reason why they do that is because the car does like a test on all the bulbs and something about the voltage or something. I don't really know because it's a LED instead of a halogen bulb. So I read that you can get it coated out. So I'm probably gonna do that just because the visibility with the LEDs is it's amazing. It lights up everything behind me, and then I feel like it's a lot better, like safety wise and just visibility wise, just to have the LEDs in there. But yeah, that was my experience with it. I'm gonna put a link down at the bottom if you guys want to try them out or get them. Thanks. Make sure to like and subscribe. The video helped you out.